messages, the everything that the input that has got by the agencies, he will be confronted with those inputs. So yes, the grilling will, the questioning will begin from 11 a.m. and after that also till the 18th, 18th day, every day there will be a questioning, and also there will be a case diary that will be prepared, and on the last day also there will be a closer interrogation report that will be prepared, and a report will be handed over to MHA. So that it's a very important, crucial questioning that will begin just few minutes from now. Yes.
Well, all right, as you are in fact also pointing out that from just a few minutes from now, we are going to also get more details, and that is why it is very important to understand that the activity that's happening at the NIA is going to be of crucial importance, viewers, as now the report is also going to be prepared. Now, as per the NIA close sources, the Tawwur Rana's test identification parade will be done, and that is why his clear picture is not being shared with the media persons. Need for test identification in parade or the accused by the police is to establish the credibility of the witness and to ensure the identity of the accused. The main purpose of the tip is to find out whether the witness can identify as a person whom he saw at the time of the crime or not. While Arzu is there with us live on the broadcast. Arzu, the test identification is going to be done. While it is very important for any high profile case, particularly regarding to the terror charges, to have as the procedural in fact marker, but in this case in fact the next step that could be understood is the test identification that will be undertaken. What are you picking up? Share more details briefly.
Well, Simran, as far as there are several tests that is being done on a routine basis, so that will be done, and in fact the NIA will conduct the daily interrogation, as I earlier also mentioned that there will be a interrogation that will begin very soon at the NIA office, and also the interrogation of the Tawwur Rana, recording each session in a case diary. So there will be a daily interrogation of Tawwur Rana that will be recorded in each session in a case diary, and after a final round of questioning, his disclosure statement will be documented and added to the case diary, and Rana's medical examination will be held every 48 hours as per the Bharatiya BNS provisions, and also the NIA will adhere to court orders throughout the process. A special team comprising NIA officers, intelligence agency personnel and forensic psychologists will question the Ranas about his involvement in the 26/11 Mumbai terror attack, and the interrogation basically aim to gather the evidence on Lashkar-e-Taiba connection with the Pakistani intelligence and also the role of the key terrorist. And as far as the there has been a lot of uncovered truth that is being focused during this interrogation. Rana is being held in a high security with advanced surveillance and biometric locks to ensure his safety and also to prevent any potential security breaches. And we are right now standing outside the NIA to showcase the the movement that is taking place. The senior officers have begun to reach at the NIA as there will be a crucial meeting at around 11 a.m. and as you can see the barricading that is being done at the NIA. There has been a multiple layer of barricading that is being done. The central police agencies, whether it's Delhi police, NIA officials, or also the central agencies, CRPF have been deployed in large number to ensure the safety and also there should be no breach in the security. So yes, there has also been a closure of the metro gate which is near the NIA to ensure there has been no such movement of the public in this entire area. And as you can also see at the NIA gate also there has been officials that have started coming for the crucial meeting that will begin at 11 a.m. And also there will be a comprising of the 12 officers. The team will be led by DIG, NIA Jaya Roy, and also he will be leading this interrogation. So yes, Simran, if we see there has been a huge talks about it. The special team comprising NIA officers will be grilling the Tawwur Rana regarding the attack of 26/11.
Absolutely, in fact, Arzu, thank you very much for sharing these details. I'll request you to kindly continue to stay with us as we are also learning more updates continuously on the non-stop coverage for the extradition of Tawwur Rana, and currently now being focused in the NIA headquarters. Marshal Service executed the secretary's surrender warrant by surrendering